to 9. This is outreach prep. Now, we're not going to actually ask for anything yet. We're not going to pitch an ebook or ask for affiliates just yet. This is all about prep work. So what I want you to do is make a list of the influencers and potential affiliates who could promote your book. Think about the people that you'd love to work with. Think about the big names in your niche, and think about the medium to smaller ones too. Anyone who has an audience. What you're going to do is make a list of these influencers. I'd recommend making a list of around 100 people. So you've got a really good mix in there. We're going to use Social Blade to verify that these influencers are legit. Let me go ahead and show you how to use that now. Okay, so hopefully I've hidden the name of the channel that I'm looking at on Social Blade. This is socialblade.com, and what I want you to look at is when you put in a channel, a YouTube channel or a Twitter or Instagram following, I think it can do both those as well. I tend to look at YouTube, but if you want to have a look at someone's following, it will show you if the channel is legit or not. And what we would normally see with a channel that is not legit, a channel that is paying for subscribers, paying for views, that kind of thing, is we would see the subscriber count going to minuses. So I'm not going to embarrass anyone by revealing their channel, but here you can see that this channel is losing subscribers and then gaining them as well. We have a pattern here where they're losing and gaining. So this is typically what we would expect to see with fake numbers, fake subscribers. So that's how you can verify if someone is legit. So if you're thinking about reaching out to an influencer or an affiliate, do run their social media through that before you reach out and contact them. A good starting point is to work with people you already follow. So what we're going to do is add these people to your list. So let's say, sticking with the fish tank aquarium analogy, let's say you're following people who are big in the fish world. They're professional bloggers for that topic. Well, because you already follow those people, add them to your list. And we do this because influencers can sniff out cut and paste templates. So I can give you a template to use, but guess what? That won't be as effective as something that you can write yourself, because you will know how to communicate with that influencer. You will know exactly what to say because you already follow them. You'll know about their journey. You'll know about their values. And this is the kind of thing that you want to communicate when you do reach out to them. Now, we are going to do a little bit of outreach, but we're only going to offer to help them. We're going to offer to create content for them for free. So we're not asking for anything in return yet. And remember, if they don't get back to you, rejection isn't personal. There are hundreds of reasons why people might not respond to you. For example, my inbox is just filled with people wanting affiliate promotion. Of course, I'm not going to respond to them. Most of them, my email is pretty much spammed out, and that's fine. That's expected. So don't worry if an influencer that you're reaching out to doesn't respond. It's not personal. But do take the time to prime the relationship. So how do you do this? You comment on their posts. You get on their radar. You share their stuff. You become a name that they will recognize. The best way to do that is to like their posts, share their posts, comment on their posts, interact with them on social media. You wouldn't believe how many times this has worked for me. People share my stuff, they comment on the stuff, and then when an email from them lands in my inbox, I recognize the name. So amongst all the other emails that I receive, that one stands out, and that one gets opened, that gets read. So it can open the door for you with other influencers, other people in the niche that you want to operate in. And remember, this is just a numbers game. It all boils down to, if you're going to focus on one person and then they ignore you, which isn't personal, but they don't respond, if you only focus on that person, you pin all your hopes on that person, and it doesn't work out, well, that's going to put you in a bad position. But if you focus on 100 people and 30% respond, well, hey, you have got 30 people who will want to work with you. So it's a numbers game. And when they do get back to you, respond quickly. So don't leave it a day or two. Make sure that you answer those emails as quickly as possible. Show them that you're keen. Show them that you're around, that you're dependable. Okay, so that's days 7 to 9. It's outreach prep. So all we're doing is really priming the relationship. We're verifying that the influencers are legit, that it's all good to go. Okay, so next we've got days 10 to 12, where we're going to look at audiences. We're going to really find out what's working online.